Hello. Here I use 4 centimeters of square tube. Mark 4 centimeter points on the tube. Then draw straight lines on both sides. Now you need to find the center of the tube. Good. And now draw the line to the center on both sides. Connect both center lines with a straight line. Now repeat that on the other side of the tube. Mark objects to cut. Remember, you will need 2 pieces of them. Don't forget to wear safety glasses. Now remove the centers. Good job. Put them together. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.